Good morning, people. It's another beautiful day here on the homestead here in upstate New York. We have a few things that we need to get taken care of before the rain comes and I go back to work. Today we have a chicken coop to clean out and a trailer, a mobile chicken trailer. So here we have the quote-unquote mobile chicken coop. This is an old Harbor Freight trailer that my father-in-law had, and I just built a chicken coop on top of it, and we use this for our newcomers, our meat birds, and whatever else we have. So today it's time to get this cleaned out, and I got to get some air in the tires as well. Like I said earlier, we have to clean the big coop out. We have a lot to we have a lot to take on today. I also have some repairs on the big coop to make. So okay, so today we're gonna get to it. The big chicken coop down here, when I built this, it's gonna be kind of hard to see in here, but we'll do the best we can. This roost right here raises up, and I put a trap door back there for cleaning. And today I think that trap door needs to be replaced. So I'll go back here in the back. There's a couple hinges right here. And one thing that I did, which I regret, was I put the locks on the inside. So now, in order to get this door open, you actually have to lift that chicken roost and climb underneath all the chicken poo and all that crap to unlock the door. I wasn't thinking, you know, when I first built it, everything was nice and clean and fresh. And I'm like, yeah, all right, this will be a good place for the locks, but not really. So we're gonna get this raised up here, and then we gotta climb in there in each corner and unlock it. which really sucks. But let me see if I can get you set up here. I'll show you how the roof itself, the roost, lifts up. Take this, comes up, put the little hook on, and then we can get down back there. Let's see if I can angle this to show you where I put the locks. Oh yeah, that's a mess. There's a lock there. And there's a lock here. And I have to be honest, normally I don't do this job, Maria does. But Still, if I was thinking, I wouldn't have put the locks back here. So that's it. And then from there, go outside, lift the door up, and now you're able to push all that sawdust and all that chicken crap right out the back door. What I'm going to do today is replace this back door and actually put them latches on the outside here so you don't have to climb in there. And there's a shot from the back side. We're gonna pull all the feed dishes and everything out of here. So yeah, that takes care of a big part of the mess right there. Now we just have to come in here and we have to sweep all this out, all the edges here, get the rest of the supplies out of here. We're gonna pull the brooder house out so we can get all that cleaned out. Just getting everything ready and cleaned up. So, good times. Yeah, this is one of the springtime chores that, like I said earlier, Maria usually does this by herself.
I have help today. It's nice. I like it. You can help me all the time.
Considering the amount of chickens we have coming, and I don't know, I think 10, 12 of them now, we didn't order. We took in as refugees. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on film, but
they were homeless.
They were homeless, so we took them in. All right, so we got the new piece cut over here. It's on the tractor. Now, this is where 4 hands are better than 2. So Maria's gonna give me a hand. We're gonna put this back on.
I don't know if you can hear anything. Chickens, this is egg laying time.
Yes, and we don't want to disrupt their egg laying. We want to allow them to finish laying eggs today.
Otherwise, they'll find a new place. and then we'll have to look for that. And that isn't fun at all. Wagon?
Nope.
Why?
Because they're extra pieces from the shop.
This is what's uneven. It's not
Yeah, I know what's going on over here. I stuck to it again. It's hard to get good help around here.
Really? Y'all gonna see what it's like on a homestead for real.
Take two.
Yeah, you're gonna edit them threatening parts out. You can come my way a little bit if you need to.
We just got back from the hardware store. I bought what I needed. I about fell over when I seen the price of these things. Right here, 3 boxes, a couple slide locks, barrel bolts, and a latch here, and a Minute Maid drink, lemonade. $30 and something cents. I'm like, I don't know. It's it's like holy crap with the price of things nowadays. I mean, I am blessed, and I'm thankful that I am able to run over to the hardware store and make a purchase like that and be okay. But I know there's a lot of people out there that they're struggling. That $30 is gas for the week to get them back and forth to work, or you know, really cheap meal on the table. But yeah, I'm thankful. So I'm just gonna get to work here and get these installed. So here we got it done. I'll try to show you. It's gonna be a little dark in here, but yeah, it's real dark in here. We've got it all cleaned out. The roof's back down. The brooder box is back up. And we have some little guys in there. These were actually just dropped off today from my brother. There's 5 of them in there. A little bigger than we thought they would be, but that's all good. But yep, they've got a nice home. There's their water, their food. They'll stay in here for a while until they get a little bigger, and then we'll take the screen cover off. Here we go. We have an egg. All the clucking and noise you heard earlier was the chickens looking for their place. They were mad because we were in their home. But we got it taken care of. And they shut up. We got the back door on. All replaced. Latches on the outside. Just makes cleaning a whole lot easier. But this is what it's like on a homestead here upstate New York on a beautiful spring day. We don't get a lot of them, but we do the work we can to get done while we can. So if I don't talk to you again, thank you for watching. If you would, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, maybe even subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.